Hey everyone, thank you for joining this class, Google My Business. Now, to register your business on Google, the first thing you need to do is to make sure you have a working Gmail account that you can use in verifying your account. So, you open your Google on your phone as if you want to search for any word, and then go type in Google My Business. When you type in Google My Business, you send, and let it bring in some suggestions for you. Now, the first one here is showing me Google Business Profile. Get listed on Google. To show your business, create a business profile, manage existing profile, or anyhow. You click on that one that is having a G. Now, because I already have, with this Gmail I'm using, I already have an account. It's telling me to manage now, but which I will still change it later. So let me just go on manage now and see my businesses. I have LB Online Store that is already verified. This other one, I don't run them again, or the one I started before and with a different Gmail, so I don't need them again, so they don't need to be verified. But permit me to just change my Gmail to another one I have never registered a business with. So now that one has now come on. It's asking me to find and manage your business. In this place, you type in your business name. For the sake of this, I will use Mavis Fashion House. Let's assume it's a clothesline, which someday might actually come to pass. So we're using Mavis Fashion House. Mavis Fashion House, yes. Now it's taking me to business category. What will be the business category? It's asking whether it's a fashion designer. Yes, it's fashion designer. It's a clothing line, so fashion designer. Then you click on next. Do you want to add a location customers can visit, like a store or an office? If you run both online and offline, you can put yes. But if your own is only online, you put no, there is no location. But for the purpose of this course, I will put yes because we run deliveries. I mean, which business don't do deliveries these days? Then we put in your street address, Maroko. Let's say it's Maroko, Abuja. Now, before you start this registration, make sure you first find out which postal code belongs to your area. Your postal code is very important because it will be able to point your location and take anybody to your doorstep where you are through Google Map. So the local government in Morocco is Amak because it's in Kubwa. Just for example, now it's in Abuja, and the postal code is 900 So when you go there, the state is FCT, Federal Capital Territory, and you do next. Then it brings you to where your business is located at. Now, this is where it is. If you zoom it, you will get that area itself. So you say next. After that, you say next. Do you provide deliveries or home and office visit? If it's yes, you say yes. If it's no, you say no. But you should put it that you do deliveries. Now it's asking, which area do you deliver to? You provide deliveries to home or office. In which area? You can say in which state is close to Abuja? Niger State. Okay, you can even put the whole of Abuja, comma. You can also put Niger. Niger is close to Abuja. Niger State. You still say which other state is close to. You can say Nasarawa State. Nasarawa State is also close by. So Nasarawa State. Okay, so let's leave it like this and do next. Okay, sorry, permit me for that. which area you can just put Abuja, Federal Capital Territory. Add the areas you serve. It's even optional, so you might not even put it, but as you put it, Niger State, Nigeria, you put that one too. Nasarawa State, you put this one too, is in Nigeria. All those things will keep on listing on. You say next. So now your contact info, make sure that the number you are putting here is the one that you use for your business, so that if somebody is calling you, you will not be telling the person wrong number, or you go and put somebody else's number that they will now be telling them they don't even know what they are talking about. Put your working phone number, and for the purpose of this course, I'm going to put 0234 is this one, so you start from 7032819208. That phone number must be there to accept calls. Current website if you have, or you say I don't have a website if you don't have, and you say next. Stay in the know. Do you want updates and recommendation for your business on Google? They will tell you things that can help your business to grow. So you say yes and click on next. When you click on next, they will still ask you another question like, select a way to get verified. Should they use this phone number? Do you want them to use this phone number? You can say more option. They give you other option. If you don't want, you can continue making edits to your business on Google, but they will not be visible to customers until you complete verification. The verification will be definitely this number, so the phone number that you put, or you can go back and say they should call that number. As soon as they call you, the email will be verified. You can say verified later. Okay, so you choose what you do: clothing restyling, clothing rentals, custom clothing, custom wedding gown, all the delivery, event management. You see there are many things that you can click there. You click them and you say next. Now why I didn't verify that is that is not my main account, but I want to assure you that as soon as you put the correct phone number for them to call, they'll be able to verify you within 2-3 days. Your account will be verified. Now they say you should add business hours. Do you open on Sunday? If you are closed, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. If that's the only time you open, you now put the time that you close. You open at 9 a.m. And close at, maybe you close at let's say you close at 5 p.m. This one p.m. You close at 5 p.m. You open Tuesday again at 9 a.m. if they are all the same, at 9 a.m. and close at 5 p.m. You just fill all, and so on and so on and so on, like that, and then you do next. Remember, if you skip, it will not allow you to go. So just as even I'm even thinking of skipping the remaining one, and it's not allowing me. So you must fill everything and make sure that it's either you skip all, you can't skip some of them. So now let's start. This one is 5 a.m. 5 a.m. closes at 5 p.m. 5 a.m. closes at 5 p.m. This one too opens at 5 a.m. 5 a.m. closes at 5 p.m. Now on Saturday we are closed, so I think we have been able to fill all of them. Now we can do next. Do you want to accept messages from customer? I accept messages in case they want to ask you questions. But still remember, even on this very app, you can put frequently asked questions like what time can you deliver to them. Some will ask you whether you can do immediate delivery. Some will ask you, like, all those frequently asked questions that can pop up in the mind of, if you are the customer, what are the questions that you might ask.